Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Tavre from Gossipfunda. How to add custom sounds to sound recognition on iPhone. Let us have a look at it. You can solve this problem by simply going to Settings and then scrolling down and tapping on Accessibility. In Accessibility, you have to go to Sound Recognition and turn it on. Now there are different types of sounds which you can either on or off. Examples are animal, people. Now to add a new sound, you need to customize it and name it. Then you have to press the Start Listening tab, and whatever appliance has to be given a sound that will get detected. And after that, the sound is being set for sound recognition. Thank you for watching the video. Hope that it has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to Gossipfunda. Do not forget to put your query in the comment section below. For more such amazing contents, do visit gossipfunda.com, link in the description.